Hello everyone, welcome to Manmaker. I am Ranjan Kumar and today we are going to talk about BL Trainee Engineer about that TEBG and TEEM that result came yesterday, and those who got selected they got offer letter in the mail. I hope you have seen and I hope you have checked everything is there. And today we are going to discuss about some document kind of things, what you are going to things you need to carry for document verification and all, what are the document, what things you need to require, how you are going to prepare everything we are going to details for your offer letter of trainee engineer, BL trainee engineer and all. Okay, so like that offer letter you have got, I hope you have been gone through this, you have read all the things. So basically if you see the term and condition, it will be for 2 year, and after further requirement of the project and your performance they will increase further for 1 more year. Okay, 1 more year they are going to increase, so total 3 year this job is in your hand as a trainee engineer. Okay, now for this trainee engineer you are going to get 30,000 per month salary. After that this will be your first year. After that in the next second year you are going to get 35,000. Then in third year you are going to get 40,000 per month. Okay, like that salary is there. Then you are going to get additional 12,000 per annum. Okay, per year you will get 12,000. It will be divided into two parts, 6,000 6,000, like that you will get in a two time for in a year. Okay, that will be for additional some like stretching charges or any allowance like that, medical and all this. For that purpose they are giving 12,000. Okay, and here they are directly mentioned there will be no nothing like a benefit like a DA, HRA, PF and or medical, like that things are you will not get from company side, BL company side. Canteen facility and transport facility is there, that is in your BL, that you will come to know on the time of after joining of this job. Okay, and one more thing, like you will get posting if like you will get in the Bangalore location also, and depend upon the project you will get in the location in all over India anywhere. That time you will get DATA, that rules are there, like DATA rule and all you will come to know when you will get your joining letter. In joining letter everything will be written. Okay, so in that also you will get one casual leave or sick leave per month, one leave is there for you. Okay, and the main thing is you are required to take medical cover of 2 lakh per annum. Okay, 2 lakh per annum you need to get one medical cover from medical insurance, is it required policy. And 5 lakh rupees of life insurance, life cover policy you need to make from your own side. This company is not going to give that one, you need to get these two things from your side only. Okay, and one more thing, these things are mandatory, some things like whatever related things are there that you need to know about before going to document verification. Okay, and after that they will guide, they will tell you how you are going to be in the company, what is the rule and regulation, everything you will come to know. One more thing is there, after completion of this trainee engineer post, that will be for your 3 year. Okay, after that you will transfer or you will post it as a project engineer. Okay, you will get another post, that will be your project engineer. When you are going to complete successfully 3 year as a trainee engineer, then you will be appointed as a project engineer for further 3 years. So again your contract will be increased further 3 year, 3 year trainee engineer, then 3 year project engineer. After that also 1 year extendable year in project engineer, so total 4 year as a project engineer. So you can say if you have 7 year time for like you can be here in the BL for a 7 year as a trainee engineer for 3 year, after that 4 year for a project engineer. So when you will be posted as a project engineer, then your salary will be in start will be 40,000. Again it will go in a first year you will get 40,000, then next year 45, then next year 50, then the last fourth year you will get 55,000, like that your salary will be. And after completion of this project engineer, this like 4 year, if you successfully complete the 4 year, then you will get bonus as a 25,000 per year. So total after completion of 4 year per year you are going to get retirement bonus that is your 1 lakh rupees. Okay, that will you will get after project engineer. Okay, so these things are there. Now we'll talk about some document. So here they have mentioned, just check in your offer letter, you need to come on 4 December here, like our means BL office, you need to come on 4 December morning 8:30 a.m. Okay, you need to come with all the things. Okay, you will come to Bangalore location, you will come to know where you need to come, that the learning and development department is there. There only your document verification will be done. So the thing is what you need to carry. First thing is copy of written test admit card. So when you went for exam that time, one admit card you have, so that admit card you need to take. Okay, that admit card printout is required, that admit card you need to carry. This is the first one. Then 3 number of passport size photograph, which like when you have filled the application form that time, which photo you have uploaded, that photograph required. So note 3, at least you try to take 5 4 means 8, at least 8 photo. They will ask like for other things also photograph is required, so at least 5 to 8 photo you just keep in your pocket. Okay, same photograph which you have filled in the application form. Now another thing, 10th marks card. 10th marks card is required as a date of birth proof. Okay, date of birth proof as a proof of your date of birth. Sorry, 10th class mark sheet required. Okay, that document original and zero. All the like whatever original document you are carrying, at least 3 copy keep in your 3 Xerox copy, keep that one in your file also. Okay, okay, so first thing, this 10 mark sheet. Now another one is 12 diploma, BTech, all things like 10 certificate, then 12 certificate. If you done 12, then carry 12 mark sheet. If you done diploma, then carry diploma mark sheet. Apart from that, in diploma semester wise mark sheet is there, 6 semester certificate or consolidated certificate is there, you need to take that also. Okay, if you have done diploma, all right, original and Xerox. Then for BTech also final degree certificate. Okay, semester wise mark sheet and final degree certificate and semester wise mark certificate. Okay, those who get final degree you can take this one, otherwise provisional certificate also you can carry, original and Xerox. Okay, same for BSc and BE also same thing. Whatever is there for 10 and 12, only final mark sheet required. For diploma, if you have done diploma, final degree certificate and semester wise certificate required. Okay, semester wise mark sheet or consolidated semester mark sheet required for diploma people. Same for BTech, final degree BTech certificate and semester wise mark sheet or consolidated semester wide mark sheet. One more thing, that CGPA conversion is there, for that also certificate is there. How they are converting CGPA into a percentage, that will be written in your mark sheet. Either it will be in backside or you will get a separate certificate for that, that also required to carry. Okay, original and Xerox, this thing for your educational certificate. Now those who are belongs to category SC, ST, OBC and all that, so for that certificate is required, mandatory it is. Who are belongs to OBC, that certificate should be in the central level. Okay, those who are belongs to OBC, that should be a central level certificate. Okay, apart from SC, ST and all, if it is central then it is okay, other or it will be in under state level also, then also it will be okay. All right, so this thing you need to take for a category people. Now pre-employment medical examination fitness certificate. Okay, just check in email where you got this offer letter. There they have gave some more PDFs. So there you can find medical fitness certificate, one form is there, and in that they have mentioned what kind of test you need to do. So that you need to do from the government hospital nearby your home only, not home means wherever you are staying. that government hospital should be required, that stamp and signature will be required for the medical officer. So just go there, do your examination, whatever test they have mentioned, so many tests are there, just do that test and get that fitness certificate from there, take signature and stamp from that hospital, and you need to come with original certificate, means original that form, and xerox of that one. Okay, so this will be done in hospital. This you need to do from yourself, not in a BL hospital. This you need to go and do yourself. Okay, now we'll talk about medical cover and all. So for medical cover, as I told, for medical insurance you need to make a policy in that at least 2 lakh, minimum 2 lakh it should be written for a medical coverage. Okay, like that insurance policy you have to take, and 5 lakh life insurance, life coverage it is required, 5 lakh. In that it should be mentioned minimum sum assured will be 5 lakh, like that it will be written that you need to take. Okay, and as I know so many people are new here, so those who are feeling like, those who are not able to do this thing, not able to make these all these things, you can contact me. My number you know already, this is 8789388697. This is my WhatsApp number, you can drop a message, I will guide you how you are going to get this policy certificate and all. This you need to do from your side, BEL is not going to do this thing. Okay, this amount you need to fill, not a 2 lakh and 5 lakh. They will like insurance and policy, so many peoples are there, they will guide you how you are going to fill this one. So monthly plan is there, like 500 1000 rupees, like that you need to pay. So like that things are there, in that you will get this coverage, and this coverage plan is there. So those who are new, those who don't know how you will get this certificate, you can message me here. I have a contact of people, I will share that one. You just they will guide you how you are going to prepare this one. Okay, so this thing, for this, if possible, you can do from yourself, or you can message me here. I will guide you. Okay. Now the next one, no objection certificate from the present employee. Most of the people are fresher here, and some people are already working in some company, or they have some work experience, like that things are there. So those who are still working in a company and they are coming for document verification, so no objection certificate required, NOC. Okay, NOC certificate required from your company. All right, either you are working in a government or PSU side, so that no objection certificate required. Apart from that, they haven't mentioned, but they will ask salary, salary slip, like recent salary slip. Okay, recent salary slip. Then if you are working in any company, that joining letter. Okay, joining letter, recent salary slip, this thing required, and no objection certificate. Okay, and those who have work experience, means already your job is over, you are not working right now, so only relieving certificate, as per now it's not required, because it's a what, fresher's job, so it is not required. But you take, you can ask there, like I don't right now I am not working, so this certificate is required or not. So if you have any kind of work experience, you can go with that, but that is not mandatory. Okay, and it is mentioned here, document and certificate proof of your previous experience. You have any kind of experience, you can take, they will take, otherwise it's not that much mandatory. And photo identity proof, like Aadhaar card is there, PAN card is there, original, and 3 copies you need to take. Okay, 3 or 4, 3 copies, at least 3 or 4 it is required. Then pre-employment police verification report. Okay, PVC, actually we will call police verification certificate. So this you have to also, you have to done from your side, this will be done from your side. You need to visit your police station, nearest police station, whatever area is there for your police station, in like in your hometown, there you need to go and make this police verification certificate. In some state it is online, you can directly go and search in a Google police verification certificate with your state name, then link will come, from there you can start and you can get this police verification certificate. Or else you can go to police station, or nearest like kacheri we will call, somewhere this paperwork will going on, There if you go that where that vakils and advocate will be sit there, they will guide you how you are going to get this police verification report. Okay, then biodata form, one form they have given in your mail, that will be your biodata form that you need to fill. Okay, and any other relevant document, this is not that much. Apart from that, whatever mentioned here, that you need to carry. Okay, and apart from that, in like you can check in PDF, you have got biodata form, that just now I have talked about that. So in biodata form, whatever you know, just write down that one, and if you don't know in some points what you need to write and all, don't write that one, just go there, they will guide you what you need to fill. You just need to ask there in the time of document verification. First, if you go to document verification in the room, here all the people will be sit, and there people will, HR people will tell how you are going to fill the biodata form, and need to tick mark in the checklist. Then medical report, this medical report I told about medical report just now, like which you need to take print out, go to hospital and do all the tests. Okay, and certificate EW, whatever category is there, for category also certificate they have given. So and that format it is required. Okay, for OBC, generally OBC and EWS, they are asked that format certificate which BL is providing. So if you have apart from that other certificate also, you can take that one also, and if possible, if you make in this format, whatever BL is given, that will be good for you. For SC/ST also, for PWD is also like that only. Okay, so the thing is, as like today is 25, like 24 only this result came, and they gave date of when, 4 December. So 10 day only in your hand. So if possible, try to make all the things. This policy, medical policy and LIC, you will get within a 1 hour or one day if you register. I will tell you how you are going to take. So in a one day you are going to get this thing, but the time will be taken from this medical certificate. Today only you go medical, or tomorrow you go medical and do all the things. Minimum 2 day it will take in your medical, like in a hospital, because hospital, government hospital is government hospital. So go there, do that one. This police verification will take time. Take time means it will take 15 day, or some state it will take 1 month, like that things are there for police verification certificate. So for that they will give time, no issue, they are going to give time, but they need some like certificate, or any provisional certificate, like you have applied for police verification, like that they will ask. If some people will not get police verification certificate, that final certificate, so they will ask, have you applied for police verification, is there any proof for that, is there any document for that? So that document is required. If in a 10 days you are going certificate, full final certificate police verification, then it is okay. If you are not getting, then acknowledgement is there, one acknowledgement certificate is there. Acknowledgement certificate, in that like they will know like you have applied for that, but you haven't got till now the police verification. So at least get the police verification certificate. Okay, so for medical and police verification certificate it will take time, so just go and do today only. Okay, today means you start today or tomorrow, and for this thing you can be done within a 1 day. You can do from yourself also, or you can message me, I can guide you how you are going to do this, all these things. So this is about your document verification and all. I hope everything is clear now. I got lots of messages from yesterday night. My WhatsApp is full of messages only, so I thought I will make a video, so I made and I explained to everyone. So now I hope everything is clear to everyone. Apart from that, if you have anything else, you can comment and you can message. I will reply. It will be go late because so many messages are there, but I will reply. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, so congratulations those who got selected, and those people who haven't selected, just wait for a second list. All right, so that's all for today. Okay, then meet, I mean we'll meet soon in